How to add bulk number on WhatsApp groups. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'll let you guys know the ways to include bulk number in WhatsApp group. To do it so, you'll have to make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, open up your WhatsApp application. After that, what you'll need to do is click on the three dot icon and go to new group. Then once you've done it, so you want to go ahead and select the people that you want to start adding. So I'm going to go ahead and simply add these people. So you could see that I've selected a list of bunch of people, so they're highlighted right on top, after which you want to go ahead and click the arrow icon. Now give a name to your group. Once you've actually given a name to your group, just tap on the tick button and the group has been created. So this is the way you could go ahead and actually create a bulk WhatsApp. You could go ahead and add a bulk number on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.